Hello and welcome to part 2 of the series on creating faceless YouTube channel ideas you can do to make money online. So, what are we waiting for? Let's begin. In the last video, we showed you 14 channel ideas. Now we'll continue on with channel concept number 15, creating engaging yoga videos without voiceovers. Here's an ideal approach. Develop diverse sequences for different levels and styles. Clearly demonstrate poses and transitions through visual cues. Include pose names, modifications, and alignment cues. Choose calming background music or ambient sounds. Highlight movements and provide pose variations. Guide viewers through breathing exercises and moments of stillness. Enhance videos with editing, transitions, and music. Provide valuable insights on alignment, mindfulness, and more. Promote self-care and well-being, and explore monetization options as your channel grows. Emphasize safety and remind viewers to consult professionals. Your yoga channel can be a valuable resource for enthusiasts and beginners alike. Channel concept number 16 is creating engaging workout videos. This can be highly engaging and attract a broad audience. Here's how you can approach it. Develop diverse routines for different fitness goals and levels. Clearly demonstrate exercises and proper form through visual cues. Include on-screen text with exercise details and tips. Use timers to help viewers track exercise and rest intervals. Highlight movements and provide modifications or progressions. Choose energizing music or ambient sounds. Enhance videos with editing, transitions, and music. Inspire viewers with success stories. Partner with others to diversify content. Prioritize safety, warm-ups, and form, and advise viewers to consult professionals. Your workout channel can attract fitness enthusiasts and motivate beginners. Channel concept number 17 is creating fact-based videos without voiceovers. This can be engaging and informative. Here's how. Choose intriguing subjects or mysteries to capture curiosity. Utilize high-quality visuals like images and animations to enhance the presentation. Present facts and explanations using clear and visually appealing on-screen text. Create smooth transitions, employ visual effects, and synchronize text with visuals. Use eye-catching visuals and intriguing snippets to generate interest. Double-check facts from credible sources to maintain credibility. Explore different categories to keep the content fresh and appealing. Remember to respect copyright laws and provide accurate information. Fact videos can captivate knowledge seekers and curious minds. Channel concept number 18 is to create engaging cruise ship walkthrough videos. Select well-known or unique cruise ships that attract viewer interest. Capture the ship's exterior from various angles, showcasing its size, design, and notable features. Walk through public areas like the atrium, restaurants, bars, lounges, theaters, and pool decks. Film various activities and facilities such as fitness centers, spas, sports courts, and entertainment venues. Explore the ship's dining venues, showcasing the variety of cuisine and unique dining experiences. Text overlays or captions provide information about the ship, amenities, and itinerary highlights. Share practical tips and advice for future cruise passengers, like packing tips or onboard etiquette. Consistently uploading high-quality content to your channel can be a valuable resource for cruise enthusiasts and travelers seeking information. Channel concept number 19 is creating engaging airplane spotting videos without voiceovers. Here's an approach. Identify airports and find optimal times for capturing aircraft activities. Scout for safe and accessible locations near airports with clear views. Invest in a camera with a telephoto lens for clear and detailed footage. Film takeoffs, landings, and maneuvers from different angles and zoom levels. Display on-screen text overlays with details about the aircraft being filmed. Enhance footage with editing software, crop, stabilize, and add transitions and music. Create playlists or categories based on aircraft types, airlines, or airports. Attend air shows or exhibitions to capture unique footage and attract a wider audience. Respect local laws, regulations, and safety guidelines when filming near airports. Your channel can become a go-to destination for aviation enthusiasts by consistently uploading high-quality content and engaging with viewers. Channel concept number 20 is creating car spotting videos. Attend local car meets, auto shows, or events to find interesting cars. Identify famous roads or areas where car enthusiasts frequently gather or drive their vehicles. Capture the details, design elements, and unique features of each vehicle. Record cars in motion, emphasizing acceleration, engine sounds, and the driving experience. Use on-screen text overlays or captions to detail the cars being filmed. Use video editing software to enhance the visual quality of your footage and add transitions and music. Create playlists or categories based on car brands, models, or specific events. Your channel can become a go-to destination for car enthusiasts and automotive fans on YouTube by consistently uploading high-quality content and engaging with viewers. Channel concept number 21 is creating engaging experiment videos. Choose exciting experiments. Provide clear instructions using text overlays. Showcase surprising results in close-up shots. Explain the science behind it in writing. Demonstrate safety measures using text overlays. Incorporate time-lapse or slow-motion effects. Add background music. Include text annotations to highlight key points. Experiment with different camera angles. Maintain a consistent upload schedule. By creating visually captivating and educational experiment videos, your channel can attract viewers interested in science and DIY projects. And if you're enjoying this video and want more valuable money-making ideas, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel to stay up to speed on our latest material. Channel concept number 22 is creating satisfying videos. This can be a fun and engaging channel idea. Here are a few examples. Film mesmerizing slime mixing with different colors and textures. Showcase the sculpting and shaping of kinetic sand in time-lapse format. Film the delicate art of soap carving, emphasizing fine details. Record clean cuts and satisfying visual effects of various objects. Capture the calming process of shaping sand in intricate designs. Showcase the precision and beauty of calligraphy. Solve puzzles while recording the process in time-lapse format, and many more. Ensure safety and follow guidelines for each activity. By providing a relaxing and enjoyable experience, your satisfying videos can attract a dedicated following and potential partnerships. Channel concept number 23 is creating engaging travel videos. Here's how you can approach it. Showcase the beauty of iconic landmarks, natural wonders, and unique attractions through stunning visuals. Take viewers along on your adventures, capturing each destination's atmosphere and local experiences. Share practical advice, recommendations, and destination insights. Create detailed itineraries including day-by-day plans and must-visit attractions. Compile breathtaking footage into visually stunning montages that evoke emotions. Explore lesser-known destinations and highlight unique experiences. Capture the passage of time in different locations, showcasing the beauty of each destination. Film local festivals, traditions, and cultural events to highlight diversity. Incorporate aerial footage for unique perspectives of landscapes and cityscapes. Explore local cuisine, street food, and dining experiences. Use captivating visuals, high-quality footage, and engaging editing techniques to tell your travel stories effectively. Incorporate text overlays, subtitles, or graphics to engage with your audience and provide information. Happy travels! Channel concept number 24 is creating channel dedicated to pet or animal videos. This can be enjoyable and engaging. Here are the steps to producing captivating content without voiceovers. Capture amusing and adorable moments of pets in action to provide a smile to viewers' faces. Showcase pet training sessions and use on-screen text overlays to explain techniques and provide tips for pet owners. Create interactive videos featuring pets participating in challenges or playing engaging games. Share valuable tips and techniques for pet care and grooming, providing a step-by-step demonstration. Feature heartwarming stories of rescued animals, documenting their journey from rescue to finding forever homes. Remember to prioritize the well-being and safety of the animals involved. Treat them with care and respect throughout the filming process. Also, include appropriate disclaimers to inform viewers about responsible pet ownership and the importance of animal welfare. Animal-related videos have broad appeal, attracting animal lovers, pet owners, and those seeking wholesome and entertaining content. Channel concept number 25 is creating woodworking videos. Document the process of building various woodworking projects. Share woodworking techniques, tips, and tricks. Capture the art of wood turning on a lathe machine. Restore vintage or antique hand tools. Film the creation of custom-made furniture pieces. Showcase intricate wood carvings and sculptures. Highlight the creation and usage of woodworking jigs and fixtures. Showcase projects using reclaimed wood or salvaged materials. Review and test various woodworking tools and supplies. Woodworking safety and maintenance. Educate viewers on safety practices and tool maintenance. Remember to prioritize safety and provide clear instructions in your videos. Woodworking videos can attract a passionate audience and open opportunities for sponsorships and product endorsements. Channel concept number 26 is creating outdoor videos. You can select activities like hiking, camping, fishing, or gardening. Demonstrate processes with on-screen text or captions. Showcase and explain the tools and gear used. Offer valuable tips and hacks for outdoor activities. Film in picturesque locations to captivate viewers. Use effects to enhance visual interest. Record wide-angle shots of landscapes and wildlife. Share interesting facts and educational insights. Enhance videos with suitable audio elements. Convey information without voiceovers. Share personal stories and reflections. Collaborate with outdoor brands, partner with brands for sponsorship opportunities. Remember to prioritize safety, sustainability, and environmental conservation in outdoor activities. Channel concept number 27 is creating videos focused on primitive building techniques and wilderness survival. This can be fascinating and captivating. Here's how you can create engaging content without the need for voiceovers. Show how to build primitive shelters using natural materials. Demonstrate creating tools from stones, wood, and more. Explore ways to start fires without modern tools. Identify and prepare wild plants, nuts, and mushrooms. Find and purify water in the wilderness. Create strong ropes from natural fibers. Showcase primitive hunting and trapping methods. Share tips for orienteering and navigation. Develop nature awareness and tracking skills. Fish without modern equipment using improvised tools. Remember safety, responsible practices, and nature conservation. Here are a few more faceless channel ideas: gardening, scuba diving, and treasure hunting. With these channel ideas, you can transform your faceless YouTube channel into a profitable platform while sharing your passion with the world by engaging with your audience, consistently creating captivating content, and exploring monetization avenues like sponsorships and ad revenue. So good luck out there. And that's a wrap. We hope you found this video beneficial and exciting. Remember that there are several online money-making opportunities, and if you want to learn more, check out our other videos. Do not forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more tips and ideas on expanding your online presence and turning your interests into a profitable business. We thank you for sticking around, and we'll see you in the next one.